This is part 2 of waterproofing mud chuck. So far I got this on, some little foam thing around the top to keep the water out. Not the best idea, but there's a shot. And to seal the two together, I did a black electrical tape. I was going to use silicone or caulk, and I remembered the air filter's not mine. And for the tubing, I found some of this laying in our garage. Conducts, flexible vining ducting. It seemed to do the job. Then I took it and just ran it right into my cab. Right here. And hopefully this should be good enough for this weekend. Have a good day.